Okay, it's time for another unboxing video. Today it'll be Ong Bak 3, the final battle. The fight sequence are second to none. 2-disc collector's edition plus digital copy. So anyways, here's the front, spine, the other spine, and the back. You could visit these websites over here to give more information. That is also the company's address right over here. You can access to it. Rated R for strong violence and bloody images, and it's 99 minutes. This movie is released in the US by Magnet Releasing. So, here's the front back again. So here's the front again, spine again, and the back. So, I don't have this one yet, but I now do. Let's get this thing opened up. Gotta use this tape again. Yeah, there we go. I wouldn't show the unboxing on camera, because it'll take too long. I do hope to get the first movie on DVD and the second film on DVD. Oh, that security sector. Come on. I didn't know I didn't have this movie yet. But now I do. I didn't know I'm getting rid of the security stickers. Come on. There we go. Now I'll be watching Journey to Bethlehem tonight. So let's open it up. Oh wow! Comes with the digital code. Here's disc 1 of the movie. And disc 2 with the special features. And here's the digital code. I hope IFC Films could purchase the Magnolia 2929 Entertainment's substantiary assets in order to bring back this. And here's a note for other movies. Already unboxed District B13. District B13. I hope to get Mentorum, Raging Phoenix, Chocolate, Red Cliff, The Warlords, Monsters, Centuration, and Ong Bak 2 someday. And I'm hiding this code, since this code already expired on February 8th, 2013. So, if anyone uses it, go ahead. I hope they make an Ong Bak 4 after Magnolia acquires IFC. AMC Networks acquires IFC Films. And nice slipcover. And thanks for watching. Bye.